Hello and welcome back. Thanks so much for staying with us. Now, across the Caribbean this evening, we're continuing to monitor the developments of that trough system that is north of the area continues to produce shower and thunderstorm activity across the Greater Antilles and also across sections of the central portions of the basin. We do have scattered clouds in the southwest. There's also a trailing trough from that system that does protrude into the southwestern Caribbean. We are expecting shower and thunderstorm activity to continue across most of the Greater Antilles over the next couple of days. That's the weekend, as the trough system is not likely to be moving significantly out of the area at that time. Now, the forecast for tonight, there are showers expected to affect sections of northern parishes as well as sections of southeastern parishes. We're expecting the temperatures to drop to about 25 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay, and we also have weaker winds. We don't have significant direction. We expect the winds to be variable at about 5 knots on both coasts. Now, in the morning tomorrow, isolated showers are likely mainly across sections of the east, and then for the afternoon, look for more of those showers to spread further to inland areas and western parishes. Temperatures 34 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 33 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, in the afternoon tomorrow, we are expecting it to be mostly cloudy in Morant Bay, Kingston, also in Halfway Tree, Portmore and Spanish Town. Expect some showers and thunderstorms if you're in Mandeville or Santa Cruz, but it's mostly cloudy in the afternoon for Black River, Savannah, Lamar, as well as for Negril. Expect scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms if you're in Lucy, Montego Bay or Falmouth. Over inland areas, we do have cloudy conditions in the afternoon. Much of our shower and thunderstorm activity is likely across Golden Spring, as well as Moco and Christiana, also Grange Hill and Cay Valley. Now, the next few days, scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms expected to continue this weekend, Sunday, also into Monday and Tuesday. Now, the marine forecast. On the north coast, winds don't have any significant direction, but we do have speeds between 5 and 10 knots, and we expect the wave heights to be between 0.5 and 1 meter. While on the south coast, we also have no major or no main direction, but the wind speeds are expected to be about 5 knots, very weak winds. Wave heights are 0.5 meter. Also in offshore areas, winds are remaining variable at 5 to 10 knots. The wave heights between 0.5 and 1 meter. Now, we don't expect significant winds to be picking up until about Monday. They're out of the northeast at 10 knots, and then on Tuesday, the winds get up to 15 knots from the east-northeast. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 6:26, 6:29 in Mandeville, and 6:32 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.